Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download Mendeley using Google Chrome. Then after downloading we will learn how to install Mendeley, integrate it with Microsoft Word and further use it for reference management. So first we need to open Google Chrome and search for Mendeley Desktop, and after that, after searching, we will go to this link, Mendeley Desktop 1.19.8 installer. So let's go into this link. So here we have to click on this link, that Mendeley Desktop 1.19.8 for Windows, and if you are using Mac or Linux, so you can choose these options. So now let's click on this link. So when I click on this link, the Mendeley Desktop will start downloading, and since I already have downloaded, I am not going to download it again. So after downloading, we will basically install it, and the installation process is simple, just like other software. So let's now assume that I have installed the Mendeley Desktop. So now let's search here Mendeley Desktop. Okay, so now open the Mendeley Desktop. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so after opening this Mendeley Desktop, just wait for a few seconds for sync and go to tools. And here in the tools option, there is an option named uninstall MS Word plugin. So I have already plugged in the Mendeley Desktop with my Microsoft Word. So that's why here the option is basically called uninstall MS Word plugin. So let's unplug it first. So in the Word, let's go to the reference tab. Then you can see here that there is a Mendeley integrated. The Mendeley is integrated with my Word, Microsoft Word. So let's close this and go to the tools, install MS Word plugin. So if I again go to the Word, then now you can see that there is no option for Mendeley. Just ignore this Mendeley site, because most of the people do that. They just use this Mendeley site, or they install Mendeley Reference Manager. But Mendeley Reference Manager or Mendeley site, this is the new version of Mendeley. But for actual citation, we have to use the older version, Mendeley Desktop. So now you can see that my Microsoft Word has no Mendeley option. So for integrated, you have to close all the Word file. So let's close this and then again go to tools. And now you can see that there the option has changed, and it is say that install MS Word plugin. So click on this, then OK. Now again go to the Word. So now you can see that there is an option called Mendeley, or the Mendeley is basically integrated with my Microsoft Word. So after doing this, we have to click on the Google Chrome extension. So let's go there, and then you have to click on the Manage extension. And after going into this tab, we have to click on the Chrome Web Store. So let's click on it, and now search for Mendeley Web Importer. So this is the Mendeley Web Importer. Just click on it and then click Add to Chrome. Then just add extension, and let's wait for a few seconds. So here you can see that it is already downloaded, and just pin this Mendeley Web Importer. So after pin this, and you have to just log in here, and always remember that when you first download the Mendeley Desktop, you have to open an account and always use the same email in the Mendeley Desktop and in this extension. Okay, so let's go to this extension now. Just click on it. So after integrate the Mendeley Web Importer, now let's go to any paper. Let's go to Google Scholar, click on it, and let's search for any random paper, and let's go to this paper, and now click on this Mendeley Web Importer, and always remember to plug this in. Okay, plug this Mendeley Web Importer. So now let's click on this, and just wait for a few seconds. And let's say I want to take some information from this paper. So just let's copy this and paste on my Word. And here you can see that this paper is added in this Mendeley. So, and you can edit from here, that the author's name, or the title, or the or the reference style. You can edit from here, but you just you have to just keep this in default. So to integrate this paper or to cite this paper, now you have to click on add to Mendeley. Okay, so after clicking it, wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now the PDF and reference is added into the Mendeley Desktop. So for citing this paper, as I have take this information from this paper, so obviously I have to cite this paper. So for this, go to the Word, then go to the reference, then click on the insert citation, and then click on this go to Mendeley option. So for to find this paper, you have to click the sync option. So here you can see at the bottom that the paper is already appeared here. Always remember that the new papers which you are including into the Mendeley Desktop always appear at the bottom. Okay, so from here you can just click on this and then click on the cite. So here you can see that the paper is cited, and uh, for surety, you can just select the whole text, and you can see that the cite option is kind of selected uh, twice. Okay, so this is how you can sure that your citation is okay. And for cite a paper, you have to go into the paper. Okay, you can not just go into this tab and click on the Mendeley Web Importer. You have to basically go into the paper, then you have to click on the Mendeley Web Importer. So after clicking on Mendeley Web Importer, the paper reference will appear. Let me show you another example. So here you can see the tick mark. So then just click on the add to Mendeley, and sometimes this tick mark is not appear because the Mendeley web importer cannot find the citation style or the author name or several information from the paper. That's why sometimes this tick mark is not shown, but most of the time you can see this. Okay, now let's click on the add to Mendeley, then wait for a few seconds. So here the PDF and reference is added into the Mendeley Desktop. Then again go into the Word. So let's suppose that I took some information from here, then I paste it, then go into the insert citation, go into Mendeley, then sync. Then here this paper is starting or loading. This paper is basically loading. So here the loading is done. Then select this paper and then click on the cite. Okay, and full stop. And let's say you want to change the style, so just click on this style and you can select whatever you want. Let's say IEEE style, so here you can select the style also. And let's say you do all these things, and then at the end of the manuscript you obviously have to add the references. So let's write references, let's bold it and then click enter, and then just click on this insert bibliography. So after clicking on this insert bibliography, all the citation will appear. Okay, and let's say you want to add a reference here. Let's say you want to add a reference here. So basically let's go into another paper, like just random like this. So again to go into this Mendeley Web Importer, wait for a few seconds, and after this just click on this add to Mendeley. Then it will take some time. So here now we can see that this paper is added to our Mendeley. Then again go to the Word and click on the citation, insert citation, go to Mendeley, click on the sync. Then here the paper is appeared. So after the loading is completed, click on this, then click on the cite. Okay, so now you have to just click on the refresh. So after refresh it, you can see that the references or the citation will appear. And another thing for the manuscript, always the style should be Times New Roman, and the font should be 12, and the line spacing should be 1.5. Okay, so this is the whole process you can follow for your manuscript writing. Thanks for watching.